Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a little cosplay. It's actually going to be a two-part video. So in this first part here, I'm kind of going to show you, well, I guess let me explain first. I always like jump ahead to everything. But anyways, from the title, you probably see it's going to be Birdbox, the movie Bird Box. It just came out on Netflix and I just watched it. It was super cool. I really enjoyed it. It was kind of like a thriller, and afterwards, to be honest, I was kind of a little bit scared afterwards. I don't know, something about, you have to watch it, but let me know in the comments if you have seen it. Anyway, Sandra Bullock is in it. So I'm just reading up on it here. I think originally it was a book from 2014. So it says Bird Box is a 2014 post-apocalyptic, and if you are new here, well, if you're old here, you know I can't pronounce basically anything, so if you're new, sorry. Bird Box is a 2014 post-apocalyptic novel. So Sandra Bullock is in this movie. It almost has kind of like similar traits to A Silent Place. Kind of like that same thing where, you know, there's like monsters outside, you can't go outside, but in a silent place, you can't make any noise. And if you do, a monster will come in and basically kill you. But in Bird Box, if you see these monsters, your worst fears come true and basically you die. So let's just get right into it. Let me stop rambling about. So her outfit throughout the movie. So what I did, I went to Value Village and I picked up a couple pieces of clothing that I thought would be very similar to hers. So I just have this sweater here. I think she kind of wears like a very similar sweater like this, and it zips up in the front. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut a little hole right here so I can put my thumb through, because that's what she has as well. Now for the blindfold, hers is blue, and I was thinking like maybe a tie I could use or some type of fabric, but I ended up finding this brand new pair of nylons, and they're blue. So they're just like this. They were, I think they were just $1 or $2 or something. So I'm just going to cut it and then it'll already be like this, and I think it'll be perfect. Like it's gonna look exactly like her blindfold. So I have this here. And then also she has that kind of pink puffy jacket on. So I couldn't find that, but the closest thing I could find is this kind of beige puffy vest. So it's the same material, but I couldn't find a pink one. Now, for her makeup, it's not going to be a whole lot. I already just put on my foundation and did my eyebrows. You're not going to see the brows anyways because the blindfold is going to be on. But my one concern about the whole movie is how Sandra Bullock and these kids kept 3 birds in a box and they did not die. All three of these birds stayed alive through everything. They were running with them, smashing the birds and everything, holding them under their arm. They go through a river, they fall in the river. Like, I just don't understand. Are these birds invincible? That was my only thing. And then in the end, they let the birds go. And you're like, what the heck? All 3 of these birds survived? So that was my only thing where I was like, okay, I don't know about this. But everything else is really cool. Okie doke, let's go on to the makeup. So I'm just gonna use, this is a more of like a peachy orange blush here from MAC. We're gonna put that on the cheeks because like I said, she doesn't really have a whole lot of makeup on her face. It's kind of more like more of the outfit and more the hands kind of looking dirty. It does look like she has a lot of blush on the cheeks though. Maybe I think they're trying to make it look like, you know, she's kind of like moving around a lot, so her cheeks are probably red and they're cold all the time. So let's put that on. More of a pinky blush, and we're gonna put that on the cheeks as well because they're tired. They are going through the forest and this huge river, so I feel like her cheeks would be, you know, it's kind of like she's flushed. Her lips are like a pinkish, a nude pink. My jacket off, and let's put on this jacket. Oh yeah, and I gotta cut the holes in the arm. Let's get this on. We gotta put so let's put the hair down as well. So her hair, I look like I'm going camping. Her hair is parted down the middle too, and it's kind of just down like this actually. You could put like a little bit of water in it to make it look a little bit scragglier, but my hair, I haven't washed, or I just washed it yesterday, so my hair is very thin. It gets very greasy fast, so mine looks okay like that. So what I'm gonna do here, I need to cut some little holes here because her thumbs go through her shirt. So I'm just taking my scissors carefully and I'm going to put a little hole in here. So I got my thumbs through. Go full out. You could take your brown shade and kind of go over the clothing so it looks dirty. Okay, now I got some dirt there. So we need to do our hands. I'm just gonna take some, this is a Morphe, it's called 35P palette. There's a lot of dark eyeshadows in there. And I'm just gonna take that and same thing, I'm kind of just gonna brush it over my fingers here. So I'll just go like this and I'll kind of just brush it just like that. So already that looks like I've been around in the dirt. There we go. So the nails look like that. I really just wanted to make it look like there was dirt kind of on the sides of the fingernails. That is it, guys. That is my completed little look here for Sandra Bullock from the Bird Box. Now, I'm also, like I said, I'm body paint that I'm going to do. So I will record that as well, but I'm going to slip it into a whole nother video just so it doesn't take too long. I'm going to record that as well, and you can see the more creative version of me being inspired by this movie. So thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, whoa, too close. Okay, I want to see, just for the heck of it, I need to go downstairs to get something. I'm gonna put this blindfold on and let me see if I can make it downstairs. That's something I've always wondered. Can I feel like I know my house. Do you ever do that? Like, do you feel like you know your house if the lights went off? You know exactly where to go? Okay, got the camera. Oh boy. The soft boxes are on. I'm gonna go around. Oh geez. There's a wall right here. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a chair here. Actually, maybe I don't think I'm gonna go downstairs. I don't think I can do that. Wow, when you close your eyes and you start to actually walk around, like everything's so off. Okay, I'm going down the hallway. My hand's on the wall here. I always do this even in the dark. Like I'll put my hand here on the wall. I'm not sure if the camera can even see it, but then I know when my hand hits right here, this is the little trim, and then we go into my room here. Oh, all right, now, you know what I'm gonna have? I made a little homemade pizza here with some dairy-free cheese, and then there's some little Cinnabons. There was more than that, and I already ate, I think I probably already ate like 3. But you know what, it's the holiday season, so